Well, a spike in respiratory illnesses in China has caught the attention of the World Health Organization. It's not clear when the outbreak began or what's driving the infections. The WHO wants to dig further for some answers. The CBC's Tricia Kindelman is working on this story for us. So, Tricia, what do we know so far about what's happening in China?
Well, it's an undiagnosed respiratory illness is what they're referring to it as. And these reports started to come out around mid-October. But it was just recently that the WHO says they did put out a request for more data. So they are looking for that additional information, which does include lab results. And this was first officially reported, I will say, at a press conference on November 13th. That included the National Health Commission of China. And Chinese authorities there attributed this increase to the lifting of COVID-19 restrictions and the circulation of known pathogens. So then just after that, about a week later or so, on November 21st, that was when some media reports, as well as the group ProMed, put out some statements, and they're known as the Program for Monitoring Emerging Diseases. So they again reported clusters of what they're calling an undiagnosed pneumonia, particularly in children in northern China, and it covers an area about 800 kilometers wide. And then we do have that request from the WHO, which just came in yesterday, for that clinical information that could help explain what exactly might be going on in this area.
And Tricia, how concerning is this spike in respiratory illnesses?
Well, it's definitely got a lot of people's radar up, if you will. You know, a lot of similarities to some recent events that we do know of. But again, public health officials are saying don't press the panic button yet. They want to see that data from the officials. And there are some respiratory illnesses that they already know have a bit of a cycle. They appear every 3 to 7 years. So this could be a part of it. Again, as those COVID-19 pandemic protocols, this is the first year without them in place in this area. So that could be a big part of what's going on there. But again, waiting for that data. The WHO has said that they put that request in. So Chinese officials have about 24 hours to submit that data. So it's still a bit of a waiting game, but the World Health Organization will release that information and keep everyone posted on this situation as it continues to unfold.
Thanks for this, Tricia. That's the CBC's Tricia Kindelman reporting.